Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, we will see how can we install phpMyAdmin in Laragon. Okay, so by default, Laravel, Laragon is shipped with a database tools called SQL, which is a very good MySQL client. Uh, if let's say you all we are very familiar with phpMyAdmin, so I will show how can you use phpMyAdmin in Laragon. Okay, this is the configuration screen or session manager of SQL. Okay, so we will install phpMyAdmin now. Let's get started. First of all, you have to go to this website phpMyAdmin.net. It's the official website of phpMyAdmin package. First of all, we will try downloading this. The download is already started. You can see it's 13.5 megabyte file. Kindly, if you go to the phpMyAdmin area, showing forbidden because there is no phpMyAdmin installed. Our download is completed. We will get the file. Here it is. I just got it. Go to my Laragon installation folder. Here is my Laragon installation folder. If I go to the etc and then apps, here will our phpMyAdmin will reside. Let's paste the file here, extract it, delete this one. Now let's say what's inside this. Okay, this is our phpMyAdmin. Okay, now I will just rename it to phpMyAdmin. Okay, now if we go to this area, it's not found. It's showing it's not found. Let's restart our Laragon. Start all. If we click to database admin again, now we can see our phpMyAdmin is installed successfully. Okay, by this, if you check here, you can also here in MySQL area Laragon, if you click any blank space of Laragon, right button and go to MySQL area, you can see phpMyAdmin is added here. So you can use either SQL or phpMyAdmin by your preference. Okay, so hope you will like this video and I will see you in next one. Bye.